Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, a safe day. It's a TGIF, folks, kicking into the summer, too. What a beautiful thing that is. Don't make assumptions. Learn to ask questions. It's always better to ask questions than to make an assumption. Have the courage to ask questions until you're as clear as you can be. Once you hear the answer to the question, you won't have to make the assumption because you will know the truth. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We have the Dow Industrials down 28, NASDAQ down 25, S&P's down 5.5. All three indices, folks, have rejected lower price once again. Bottom line, you're going to have lighter volume. Jobs numbers come in terrible, 38,000. Market tanks, comes all the way back, still wants to test its highs. Gold contract up $30, trading at $12.43 an ounce. Silver up 37 cents at $16.40. Gold and silver took off topside with conviction, wide price spread, accelerated volume. They both want to go after their highs. Platinum up 21 bucks, $980. Copper up 4.5 pennies at $2.11 a pound. Light sweet crude flat at $48.76. Bonds, folks, went to the moon. Here we go. 10-year note up a full point, 130.30. 30-year bond up 1 point and 27 ticks, 166.16. Notes and bonds went topside, wide price spread, huge volume. Bottom line, folks, is that rates are going down regardless of what the Federal Reserve wants to do. And after those jobs numbers, it looks like they're going to do nothing. The intriguing part here in the 30-year bond, so check this out, a 30-year bond right now is trading at 2.75. So that's saying you're lending money to the government at 2.75%. Pretty amazing. King dollar. King dollar got crushed. King dollar down 1.5 pennies, 1,500 ticks, 94.04. King dollar's going after its August swing low of 91.88. We'll see whether that holds. The way this market is trading and the way the gold and silver equities are trading, it's saying that King dollar more than likely will go down to the 88 mark, which no doubt is going to send all these commodities topside in a huge way. Euro trading at $1.13, up 192 ticks. The yen crushed down, well, the crushed for the yen means much stronger. That is down 2 at 106. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world. In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. What do you have? Okay, so we go over to the SPY. What you're going to see out here is this. SPY out here this morning, so the jobs numbers come out at 8:30. Bottom line, people are in shock, 38,000 jobs. You know, we'll see how the rest of it shakes out, but bottom line, market-wise, that's saying the Fed thinking they're going to go up on the rates, they're dreaming. So what does the SPY do? The SPY does 79,000 shares, 79 million shares, rejects lower price, has lighter volume. It was going into the 109 million shares. Bottom line, these highs still want to get tagged, which is pretty wild. So the high that we're talking about is $210.92. And I expect next week you're going to see it get tagged. We'll see whether it's going to take it out. We go over to the NDX 100, the 3Qs. Same setup inside the 3Qs. 3Qs rejected lower price out here. Went to 109.34. Had light volume. Only had 17 million shares. 17 million, folks. It was, coming into 24 million. The high that it's going after is $111.44. Right now you're at 110.17. The small caps, the Russell 2000, had already taken out its April swing high. That swing high that we're talking about, that it had taken out, it was the April 27th swing high, $115.05. It went down to 115, had light volume, rejected price, going topside. IWM wants to go to 120. So we're at 116. Now let's go back to the S&P for a second, because I suspect what you're going to have is this. This is going to be just really a trader's paradise out here for the next, well, it's trader's paradise now, but it looks to me like it wants to launch the April high of 2111. Your next high out there is 2116, and the actual high is 2134.72. So the way that the S&P is set up right now, folks, it looks like it's going to do a small ABC up, We'll see whether it takes it out with volume. If it takes it out in volume, that says we're going to spike the high of May of last year. And, we'll see whether that's it or not. I suspect it's going to be, we'll find out. We'll find out when we get up there. Gold contract. What do we have with gold? Bottom line, folks, gold took off, huge volume, all of the above. We did 223,000 contracts. It's up 31 bucks. You're trading at 12.43. Gold's on its way up to the highs of 13.08, and you very well may have a very large ABC structure on the way up. The XAU, HUI, they also look like they're in ABC structures on the way up. We have the XAU is up 770 at 88.35. That price projection would be 104. The Gold Bugs Index, what you have with the Gold Bugs Index, that was up $21. You're at 224. That ABC structure would give you a 262 number. So you're talking about big numbers right across the board. Bonds. We go into the bond market. Okay, so the 10-year. 10-year out here today, talking about price spread and volume, all of the above. We did 1.5 million contracts. Big numbers. We close at the high of the day. This is going to overtake the 131.07. That's the high in this right now. That's only 7 ticks away. And what you're going to have here, you're going to bust into new highs. If you're looking to mortgage, if you're looking for real estate, go get it, folks, because right now we're at 1.7, and I think we're going to see this 10-year come down to 1.6, 1.5, and it's free money. That's the bottom line. Rates are going down. Numbers are going up. King Dollar. What do we have with King Dollar? King Dollar got crushed. So King Dollar down 1,500 ticks, 33,000 contracts. That was after trying to get to highs, and you talk about anemic. It tried to get to highs with 8,000 contracts last Wednesday. On Friday, it had tried to get to high with 17,000, and then Tuesday, when we come back, Tuesday, 17,000. You can see the correlation. The correlation is pretty intense. So what do we have? We have a high volume swing low at $91.88. Bottom line, it's going to go after it. And when you take King Dollar and we put King Dollar on a longer basis and we string these contracts together and we put a continuous contract, what you're going to see is this, is that King Dollar has been in consolidation since January of 2015. The low of that is the 91.88. If we break 91.88, see ya, don't want to be ya, 88's coming at us. And the way these equities are trading, meaning ABC structures on the way up, I suspect 88 is coming at us. You stay right there, folks. We're coming right back. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Be right back.